Welcome to Redline Review. A new definition of what it means to travel in style is presented by the 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW has introduced its first full-fledged motorhome, which combines cutting-edge automotive engineering with the comfort of a luxury residence. This innovative package combines performance, design, and premium living in a single forward-thinking package. A BMW twin-power turbo six-cylinder engine or an optional hybrid electric drivetrain is available for the vehicle's performance and engineering. Power output, estimated to be between 375 and 450 horsepower. Drive system, X-Drive all-wheel drive for operation on any terrain. The transmission is an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission. The suspension is an adaptive air suspension with ride height adjustment. The range of the hybrid vehicle is up to 600 miles when the fuel and electric components are combined. Eco Pro, Comfort Sport, and Off-Road Technology and Safety are the driving modes that are available. iDrive 9 system with 15-inch curved infotainment screen, autonomous driving capabilities. Level 3 for highway cruising. 360-degree cameras, remote parking, and obstacle avoidance. BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant with voice and gesture controls. Solar panel array with energy management system for off-grid use. A living space located inside a 55-inch OLED television. Lounge-style seating with massaging leather recliners and ambient lighting are all features of the living room. A full-size induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, an oven, and quartz countertops are included in the kitchen. The bedroom features a queen-size memory foam bed with a skyline LED ceiling and personal climate control. The bathroom features a walk-in shower designed in the style of a spa, a porcelain toilet, and a backlit vanity. Kitchen. The rear lounge may be converted into a second bedroom space, making it a convertible guest area. 5G connectivity with a Wi-Fi hotspot that can accommodate up to 20 devices. Entertainment and access to the internet. A digital cockpit and smart home sync for lights, locks, and appliances. An integrated streaming system that includes apps for Netflix, Spotify, and BMW Connected Drive, storage and utility features. These features include expandable side pods that allow for increased floor space when the vehicle is parked, underfloor storage lockers, roof racks, and a rear cargo area, an onboard water purification system, and a 200-liter fresh water tank. An optional outdoor kitchen module and awning with solar lighting. There is a range of estimated prices beginning at $350,000, depending on the trim level and the level of customization. Not only is the BMW 2026 Motorhome a mode of transportation, but it is also an experience. Those travelers who refuse to make concessions between performance, luxury, and adventure are the target audience for this product.